piha he iwa kalua makahiki o ka mālama o hoʻokaʻawale o koʻa ia o ko Hawaiʻi pai ʻaina mau moku puni ma o aku o niʻi hau e hoʻoia ana I kona ʻano kui ka wā. Mai kona hoʻokohu ia he ʻaina hoʻomalu ma lalo o ka Pelekikena o Clinton I ka makahiki e lua kaukani. A leila kona hoʻolilo ia he kia hoʻomanaʻo kai pekelala ma lalo o Pelekikena Bush. A leila ka hoʻonui ia o kona mau palena ʻaina ma lalo o ka Pelekikena o Barack Obama. I lilo oia ke kia hoʻomanaʻo pekelala nui loa o ʻAmelika hui pu ia. Ma kēia pukana o ʻāhaʻi ʻōlelo ola, e nānā ia I ke kulana e ku nei o kēia kia hoʻomanaʻo, a me ke ʻano e pomaikaʻi a pili ke ai no paha ko Hawaiʻi I kēia papahana.
Papahānaumokuākea is one of the most extraordinary ocean places on the planet. It's in the northwestern Hawaiian Islands, but it's actually 3/4 of the archipelago. Papahānaumokuākea is a place really known for abundance. It teems with wildlife from seabirds to fish to sharks. And its habitat, its coral reefs, are really intact compared to what you find in most of the planet. So there, when you experience a place like Papahānaumokuākea, you understand what the oceans are supposed to function like and how healthy our systems are supposed to be able to produce kind of the benefits, the food, the stable weather, the livelihood, the wellness of the planet that it's supposed to. So Papahānaumokuākea is, really a reflection of what we should aim and hope for our oceans to look like. It's also an extraordinary and really important cultural place for Native Hawaiians. And in our predominant creation story, we know we come from the coral polyp. And so we believe that our ancestors descend from there, that our first human ancestor was the coral. So this place is where we come from, and after we pass this life, where we return. So when you think about kind of the natural and cultural importance of Papahānaumokuākea, it's hard to imagine other places on the planet more important to protect.
Ano ke ano ihi loa o Papahānaumokuākea I ka Hawaiʻi, ʻimi a kula ke ena kuleana Hawaiʻi e lilo I kahu no Papahānaumokuākea, a ua loaʻa no ia kulana I ka makahiki e lua kaukani ʻumikumaono.
For ʻōha, the most important thing in Papahānaumokuākea, other than caring for that space, is emphasizing to people around the world that Native people do have a place in management of resources, whatever that structure is.
ʻOiai ke piʻi nei ka nui o ka Hawaiʻi e komo ana I nā ʻoihana epekema e holo aku ana I Papahānaumokuākea no ka noiʻi, ua ike ia no ke koʻikoʻi o kēia mau o ka ʻaina ma o aku ana mokupuni nui e walu o Hawaiʻi ma ka mālama ana I nā kumu waiwai au kula he lohe o kākou.
O ka pilina o komako hana I Papahānaumokuākea a me kēia pai ʻaina. Hoʻonui kākou e hapai I kēlā mau ano haʻawina a mako I apuai ma leila. Ka analike I kēlā ano noʻonoʻo pehea la kākou e hoʻokamaina ai I ka ʻaina. He aha nā hiʻohiʻona o ka ʻaina.
No laila, noho kākou maʻanei kiolo o kākou. Aka no ka hoʻo I kaika ana, no ka kulia ana, no ka moakaka ana. A ka hoʻi ka piko no Hawaiʻi, hoʻi I ka ike, hoʻi I ka moʻokuʻauhau, hoʻi I ka ʻōlelo o ke lā ka hana I hele I laila.
A ma o aku o kākou ma Hawaiʻi nei, ua minamina ia no kēia ma hele o ko kākou ʻaina e ko ʻAmelika hui pu ia, a ua ahu wale no kēia I ka hana ko ʻAmelika mau Pelekikena.
So there's this tool that presidents have that was given to them under an Antiquities Act that gives presidents the authority, through a proclamation, create a national monument. Papahānaumokuākea was the first place where this presidential power was tested in waters, in the ocean. This tool is now being challenged, not just for marine monuments, but monuments on land as well. It's something that under this administration that is being questioned on whether or not presidents should be able to have that kind of authority, and if so, should they be able to revoke that? So this current president issued an order asking for these monuments, a series of monuments, to be reviewed, including Papahānaumokuākea and the Pacific Marine National Monuments, to either think about downsizing them or removing their designation altogether.
Ai kēia, ʻaʻole I hapai ia ka manaʻo e hoʻololi I ka palena ʻāina o Papahānaumokuākea, e ia naʻe ke kali ia ni no ka manaʻo hoʻoholo o ka Pelekikena. E nana mai no I ke kahi mahele o kēia pukana e ike ai no ka manaʻo o ka poʻe ka koʻo ana I nā ʻaoʻao e koʻa, no ka waihomalie ana I kēia kia hoʻomanaʻo kai pekelala me kona mau palena ʻāina, a no ka hoʻēmi ana I kona nui. He mea kupai ana hamaoli no ke ano ana mele Hawaiʻi mai ka hoene ana mai o nā leo nahe. Ai ke koe I kaika ana mai o kahi ukulele e lele pū ai nā lalani mele mai nā lehe o ka puolo ai ka pahukani o ka pepe iau a oni a ela ke kino o ka mea na nea I ka hoʻolohe. E koma pū mai no me mākou ko uiwi TV I ka walea I ke kalena nui loa o ko Hawaiʻi mau poʻe himeni a hoʻokani pila me ka lohe pū I ke kahi mau ʻōlelo I kupu mai ai nā mele ala ko, ma mele makalihi wai, ko ʻōiwi TV polokalamu mele e hoʻolele ia ma ʻōiwi Kiko TV me ke kanela kiko hoʻe helu kolu lua ono. Aloha.
Excuse me, guys. You guys know how to get the spouting water from here?
Oh, yeah. You want to go down Mudhen Water here, all the way till you get to Quarter Line Terminalis Underground Oven. Then go right on Worn Out Soil, all the way till you get to Day of War. Then you're there.
Okay, thanks.
Without Hawaiian, it's just not the same. Aha punana leo, reinvigorating the Hawaiian language since 1983. Join us. Ke holo nei he kanaha makahiki o kona hoʻano kupuna, hoʻola mauliola ma o ka hoʻala I ke kiloho kū, ka hoʻoi kaika pilina kanaka, ke kahu makakau mālama ʻāina, a eia ke hoʻounu nei I au kahi mālama honua.
ʻAina! I'm inspired by its global mission.
E komo a holopū mai no, ma hoku leʻa kiko se omu. ʻoiai maʻakako I ka nohona ma kēia mau mokupuni nui e walu o Hawaiʻi nei, ka kaʻikahi ka lohe a ike no Papahānaumokuākea, e ia naʻe ua pā mauli no ka honua nei a puni I kēia mau mokupuni kupuna o kākou.
I feel like I'm one of the luckiest guys on earth because my job is to be in charge of research in one of the largest marine protected areas in the world, and it's one of the most special parts of our archipelago. It's Papahānaumokuākea. They look like specks on a map, but they're actually one of the most remote and pristine coral ecosystems in the world. In fact, it's one of the last really great wild places left on Earth. So it ranks up there with the Serengeti and the Australian outback as one of the last really truly wild places left on Earth. One of the best things about the expansion is it protects the benthos, or the bottom of the ocean. And much of this is very deep ocean. It's 13 to 16,000 feet deep. So just because it's out of sight and kind of out of mind doesn't mean there's nothing there. It's one of the most poorly explored habitats on Earth. And so this expansion protects all of those kinds of habitats. And the reason this protection is important is manganese nodule mining and manganese crust mining in the deep ocean. They've been talking about it since I was a kid. It still hasn't happened yet. But as long as we have our taste for exotic electronics, smartphones, computers, we need those so-called rare earth metals in that manufacturing process. So there's a strong economic desire to go out and get these things. As long as we want smartphones, deep sea mining will happen. The best we can hope to do is steer it away from some of these areas of very high biodiversity. It protects for future generations a virtually undisturbed, pristine deep ocean environment where most of the things down there have never been seen, never been described, they're completely new. Now, one impact that the expansion did have was on Hawaii's longline fishery. So it did push some of the longline fishers out of areas where they habitually fished. It's not a big part of their catch, it was maybe 5 to 8% of their longline sets were in this area. It didn't change the total catch. They will hit their cap, they'll just hit it somewhere else. So in that sense, the socioeconomic impact was minimal. I see it as a big plus for conservation, that we've really protected the environments that would be most likely to be harmed by deep sea mining.
Ua hoʻoi aku nei kākou a ahu wale ke kupono o kēia mālama a mana kia kui ka wā ia o Papahānaumokuākea e papa o koa ia I no ke ano e komo wale aku ai ka naka a ohi I kona pono malila. E ia nae, he mea kēlā e waiwai ai ia wahi I kēlā mau kanaka e kaukai ana maluna o ia lako no kolako pono a me ka pono o ka ohana.
Score. What do you want?
So the Western Pacific Regional Fishery Management Council is part of the nationwide fishery management program for the United States. There's 8 councils, and we manage fisheries in federal waters, which is the exclusive economic zone, and it's generally from 3 miles to 200 miles from the shorelines of the different parts of the United States. So basically what we're doing is we're making rules for fishing outside of the state's jurisdiction. And to do that, we have a council that's made up of 16 members. It has the agency heads from each of these island areas, as well as those appointed by the governors of each area. And they make decisions on what the rules are and provide those recommendations to the National Marine Fisheries Service, which is a part of the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration under the Department of Commerce. So it's really a big national kind of deal when you're talking about fisheries management. The first recommendation was regarding the options for fishing regulations in the Northwest Hawaiian Island monument expansion area. So the council hasn't been opposed to a monument, it's been opposed to the expansion of the monument. And mainly that's because we have regulations in place already. One of the things is that they always say it's so pristine up there. It's pristine up there because it was well managed from day one.
Mao ke kanawai hoʻomalu a mana kia o I hana lawaiʻa I puka mana kana hiku I hoʻokumu ia I nā kanihela e laʻa me Westpac a ma ia manawa no lako I hoʻomaka I ka awamo I ko lako kuleana I pili ia Papahānaumokuākea.
We put in things like bans on trawls, so no longer could they come down with a net and pull out all the corals. Put a ban on deep sea long lining that would take out the fish with these methods that other countries are using. We also put in a protected species zone so that 50 miles around the Northwest Hawaiian Islands was closed to longline fishing and other fishing that would take protected species like monk seals and turtles. So that was basically the basis for what became Papahānaumokuākea. Our mission has always been able to fish forever, and it's not necessarily take all the fish you can, but making sure that we're able to fish for future generations. That difference between preservation and conservation, if you're going to preserve it, it's gone forever. But if you're conserving it for a purpose. So how do you get from that idea that we're closing this off for future generations to, no, we want to manage it so our future generations can keep fishing? How do you get to that conversation of we don't want to preserve it for a future if we can't use it today and teach our future generations to continue that practice and tradition?
Ana la ka hopena o kēia ninu ne kune no ke ano e loli ai paha ka nui o kēia kia hoʻomanaʻo kai pekelala o Papahānaumokuākea a ole kākou ike. Ua lohe aku nei na manaʻo ka koʻo a kuea mana ʻaoʻao e lua ano kākou ka Hawaiʻi, ko Hawaiʻi, loa ka ohana mana ʻaoʻao e lua e ʻimi oia iʻo ana I ka pono e like me ka lākou e noʻonoʻo ana he kupono. I loko no naʻe o kēia I ke ʻole no ka hopena, o ke kahi mea I hiki ʻole ke hoʻole ia, oia ka pono e hoʻomaupopo, hoʻomau I ka ʻimi, a hoʻohana I ka ʻike a me na haʻawina e waiho ʻia na ma leila ma Papahānaumokuākea, no kākou ka poʻe e noho ana ma kēia mau mokupuni nui e walu o Hawaiʻi. Keu aku, ke ano e hoʻoikaika I ai, ka pilina o kākou kanaka I ke au kūlohelohe, e mahuahua e ai, ke ano e huola mauli no ka nohona ma Hawaiʻi nei. Mahalo nui kēia launa ana mai no kēia pukana o ʻāhaʻi o Lalo a e nana mai no I ke kahi pukana, ke hoʻea aku mākou I nā kaiaulu o Hawaiʻi, a nana I ke kahi o nā papahana, e ʻimi ana I kēia mau manaʻo e walao ia nei ano. E nana mai no, I kamako mau polokalamo pau o Wiwi TV, ma o Wiwi Kiko TV, a me kamako kanela kiko ho e helu kolu nuono. A hui ho aku no, aloha.